Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites. Git installed and your GitHub account ready. Clone or initialize a repo, then set origin to the remote so pushes work. You will add project files and commit with a clear message. This creates a local snapshot. Once done, push to origin main to publish. This syncs local history with GitHub. Make sure branch names match remote conventions so your first push doesn't fail and you can collaborate immediately. You work on a feature branch to isolate changes and keep main stable. Use git add and small commits to document intent. This makes rebases or merges predictable. When ready, push the branch and open a pull request so reviewers can comment. Once reviewers approve, merge via rebase or merge commit based on team policy. This preserves history or simplifies it. Make sure to pull latest main and resolve conflicts locally before merging to avoid broken builds or lost work. You finalize by tagging a release and pushing tags so artifacts and changelogs are clear. Automate tests with CI. Passing checks means safer merges and deployments. Once merged, clean up stale branches and update docs so the team knows what changed. If something goes wrong, a broken build or bad commit, you can revert the commit or create a hotfix branch and patch promptly. This isolates the fix and preserves history. Make sure to communicate the rollback in PR comments so everyone stays aligned.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.